Hi, I'm Andy Van Solen, Solutions Specialist at Vermeer Corporation, and today I'd like to review the Vermeer BC2100XL Tier 4 Final engine. In this walk-around, we are going to discuss the engine, eco-idle engine control system, in-feed opening, smart feed, smart crush, the optional winch, as well as machine controls. The Vermeer BC2100XL brush chipper is powered by a 275 horsepower Tier 4 Final Cummins diesel engine that will tackle some of the toughest land clearing projects. The biggest changes from the BC2100XL Tier 4i Stage 3B and the BC2100XL Tier 4 Final engine is the need for diesel exhaust fluid, also known as DEF. The BC2100XL has the eco-idle engine control system. This system automatically lowers the engine RPM if material has not been shipped for 1 or 5 minutes. This assists in reducing noise as well as fuel consumption if the feeding process has frequent interruptions. Just hit the green reset, hold to run button. The BC2100XL has an in-feed capacity of 21 inches and the largest in-feed table in its class, allowing for smooth material feeding. The dual offset horizontal feed rollers have a theoretical combined 10,000 pounds of pulling force and allow for easier feeding of material and less need for manual control of the upper feed roller when shipping large diameter material. Lugs on the upper and lower feed rollers help grip material better for feeding, and gear teeth rings with vine rippers help to lessen the potential for material wrapping around the feed roller. The feed roller easily climbs up and onto the material to start the feeding process. Then Smart Crush automatically increases down pressure. With material securely gripped by the in-feed system, the operator can release the grapple of the feeding machine and concentrate on the next load of material. Down pressure is minimized until the feed roller has climbed up onto the material, then increases to push difficult material through to the cutter drum. Smart Feed is a patented feed sensing control system which monitors engine RPM and automatically stops and reverses feed rollers when feeding larger hardwood material. Smart Feed also senses feed roller jams and responds by automatically shifting material back and forth, reducing the need for manual control bar manipulation. Additionally, the remote gives the operator programmable setting control. Heavy-duty tandem torsion axles provide reliable off-road job site performance as well as decreased ground pressure for softer conditions compared to single axle designs. The BC2100XL has a winch available as an option. The winch allows operators to easily lift and move large logs and is strategically located to automatically lift the log onto the feed table. The 150-foot winch line can handle material up to 4,000 pounds. When mechanically feeding a BC2100XL, the winch boom can be raised up and out of the way of the material being placed on and flowing into the in-feed chute. When lowered, the boom allows the winch to easily lift and position material onto the in-feed table. A winch boom swivel roller reduces the winch line damage when pulling from a variety of directions. The winch line interlock storage hook stores the winch line out of the normal material flow and protects it from being snagged by material and pulled into the chipper during normal operation. It also prevents simultaneously pulling out of the winch line while feed rollers are operating, reducing the likelihood of the line being snagged and pulled into the chipper. The BC2100XL control panel includes the ignition switch, multifunction display, fuel gauge, diesel exhaust fluid gauge, throttle switch, eco-idle switch, diagnostic port, HEST lamp, engine regen switch, and fuse box. Chip chute cleanout door provides easier chute access for the operator to clean out potential clogs. In review, we have covered the engine, eco-idle engine control system, smart feed, smart crush, and machine controls. Thanks for taking time today to review the Tier 4 Final BC2100XL. For more information, refer to Compass or contact your Vermeer specialist.